Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to integrate the Yale touchscreen or either the Yale touch button 220 or 210 with an AT&T module Z-Wave. I'm gonna show you hello guys, so I'm gonna show you how to integrate into your home automation system Z-Wave controller, a Z-Wave with a Z-Wave AT&T modules. So it's the same model like that, which says AT&T on it. So it's put it inside. It's a Yale YRD220, and I'm gonna show you how to integrate this Yale into your Z-Wave alarm.com controller, or it's the same thing for any other controller Z-Wave enable. So right now I already include some of them for the office and the warehouse. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna show you that you can add this one as well into the alarm.com. So this is alarm.com, and you need to put your Z-Wave into an inclusion mode. So to do that, you have to go to your Yale. First you have to register master code into
Press the pound key to continue.
and follow instruction.
Enter a 4 to 8 digit PIN code. Press the pound key to continue.
Okay, I register 1, 2, 3, 4,
Registered.
and now I'm gonna go to the controller and put it and press the button to put it in inclusion mode. So I'm coming back. This is the alarm.com controller. So I just remove the cover, and here you have a small button. You have to press this button to put it in inclusion mode. So here you press here for a few seconds, and you're gonna see it's gonna change color. So now this is in inclusion mode. So now I can go to the Z-Wave lock. You have to put the locks in inclusion mode. So you put your master code.
Menu mode. Enter number. Press the pound
You press
key
the
to
7
Wireless join
pound,
the wireless network.
and then the 1 to
Press
join the
pound key
wireless
to
network.
continue. Join the wireless network.
Okay, so now it's blinking, and it should be soon on this device. Completed. You heard the completed, so means it's gonna show up here. Okay, let's see. You have to refresh the screen. There we go. So it's coming. Right now it's in lock position. So you see this one is gonna just need the time to refresh in the system. So we're gonna name it. We go to devices. So it should be somewhere. Should be somewhere. Okay, this one, lock 18. So we're gonna put test here. Test lock 18. Save. So now we go back to the lock, and you can see it now over here, lock 18. And you can see now the lock test is added to the network. So we can do a test here. For example, the Yale is close to me, so you can click. It's gonna send the command. You can see here the lock, AT&T lock. So now I'm gonna press lock on and you're gonna see it's working. So it's working perfectly with alarm.com. As you can see, it's unlocked now. It's locked, sorry, and you can unlock it. So you click on it, sending the command, and it's going to send. There we go.